Namaste, this is Vachhani, your Love Yourself coach, and you're watching my channel Being Harmony, a harmonious way of living life. So on the request of many people here, I'm here to give a short video on how to practice Serene Mind Meditation. So this Serene Mind Meditation is a very short meditation which brings you in the state of calm relaxation. You can practice this when you're caught up with the worries and tension of the future, or past hurt, or you're caught up in the past, or some emotions. And this you can practice any number of times during the day. And this can be done even by the beginner who has never done meditation, who has never meditated. Okay. So let us begin. If you're ready to do this practice, please type ready in the comment box. Thank you. So let us do together and let's experience. Okay. So Serene Mind practice, you need to sit straight, spine erect. Keep your palms facing skyward. Close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths so that your exhalation is longer than the inhalation. I'll help you with the count. Breathe along with me. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, bring to your mind, what is the emotion going on? Is it a thought of anxiety, worry, tension, insecurity? Or is it a feeling of love, joy, connection? Totally aware. Now check inside, where is this emotion coming from? Is it entangled in your past or the future? Or is it in the present? Tiny flame of light between your eyebrow center. You can see or feel it. Let it move from your eyebrow center to the center or the middle of the brain. Total attention on this phone. And when you've seen it, open your eyes with a smile on your face. Beautiful. Okay. Write in the comment box, how did you feel it? What was your experience? And how are you committed to do this? The more often you do this, more state of calm you'll experience. So whenever you're worried or anything, just do Serene Mind and do subscribe this channel to get more of it. Yeah, and let me know with a thumbs up if you like it, so that I can put more of these short practices. And you can put thumbs down if you didn't like it, so I will not make more videos on this. Thank you. Namaste.